Hello everybody out there, this is Ferdinand. I'm on the truck together with Kevin. We are here at Metzfield. After a long ride today, it was about 530 miles, which to me is a really long distance, especially for German guys, yeah. There were good news today, because as far as we get unloaded, we got immediately the next load, and which will bring us to Houston. We are going to be up pretty early at 4 o'clock in the morning, so we should go out for a sleep because it's almost 9 o'clock now. Third part of my diary on my journey with Kevin together on the truck. Kevin and Tanya, who have the YouTube channel Joy of Trucking. Go ahead if you like to, and watch out for different videos and informations maybe. Yeah, I had a nice day, really nice day. We came down here to the terminal in Dallas, and I have to find the entrance. Here we go. Yeah, we came down from our way from Metzfield Green. Let me say it right. So, first of all, we had a nice crawfish here at the terminal. Tasted really not too bad. After this, we went out. Oh, maybe it's a little bit dark, but there will be some light. Just let me walk a little bit more further. Yeah, here I am again. Yeah, we had some crawfish, then we went out for some shooting.
Nice group. Well, that was a blast.
Oh, yeah. Honestly, I was scared, because to me it was the first time to shoot a gun, and it was pretty loud, and yeah, and I was shocked in the first moment. I was shocked, but then I think I didn't do too bad. Besides, Kevin is a really good protector. Yeah, and yeah, he did very well. Okay. Then we went out further to Dallas downtown, which is a huge place. I don't know if you have ever been to Dallas. If not, go there and have a look. Yeah, I liked it a lot. First of all, we went to the place where John F. Kennedy was shot. What a tragedy for the USA. Honestly, that shouldn't happen. Yeah. Okay. However, it was kind of sad, but then we went to other places, really nice places in Dallas, and had a look to the AT&T, to this big LED show. Really nice. And walked around a little bit, took some nice exciting pictures, and after this we went to the rodeo bar and had a beer. Okay, I had a beer. I had a nice burger which tasted really good in comparison to those other burgers which I had. since I came down by Orlando. Yeah, and we had a nice talk about our family, our life, and I really enjoyed this nice day. Thank you, Kevin, for this day and for this experience. Yeah. Okay, now we are back at the terminal and we have to prepare for tomorrow. So we are going to Houston in order to deliver the load we have, and it will take us another 300 miles, I think, something about this. Yeah, and okay, then we are in Houston. This is it for today. Enjoy your day tomorrow or whenever you are going to see this video. Yeah, go ahead, have fun, feel good, and nice greetings. See you later. So long. Bye bye.
Watch out!
We hope that you enjoyed Ferdinand's Day 2 and Day 3 summary of his experience out on the roads of America, trucking with Kevin. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up, put your comments and questions below. Have you been to Dallas? What are your favorite things to do there? If you were alive when JFK was shot, do you remember where you were, what you were doing? Let us know in the comments. And hey, if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos, and have a great day. With love from Kevin and Tanya and Ferdinand. And now enjoy this wild and crazy light show. Bye.